Weighted jump ropes are super effective in helping beginners learn how to jump rope and take advanced jumpers to new levels. I'm going to share some of the benefits of weighted jump ropes and see how much I can increase my consecutive double unders by using only weighted jump ropes over the next 10 days. This video is sponsored by Crossrope Jump Ropes, as they recently sent me out their new limited edition heavy jump rope set that includes their new limited edition power handles, the 3/4 pound rope, 1.5 pound rope, and 3 pound rope. These things are beasts, and they're gonna push your workouts to a whole new another level, and they're just fun challenge to take on. If you wanna learn more about Crossrope Jump Ropes and the limited edition set, I got them linked down below with a special discount for you. All right, before we jump into the heavy rope workouts and the double under test, let's take a look at the benefits of weighted jump ropes and what they bring to the table. Beginner jumpers have not yet developed the feel for the jump rope as it's rotating around the body. And the typical jump rope out on the market is a pretty light rope. This can make it very difficult for a new jumper to learn how to jump rope because of the lack of feel, thus making it very difficult to get the timing and rhythm down, leading to a lot of trip-ups and frustration. Weighted jump ropes are great for beginners. The reason is because there's extra weight in the rope itself as it's traveling around your body, it's pulling more because of the weight of the rope. This provides more feel and feedback to the user, which allows them to develop the timing and rhythm of jump rope faster, which reduces frustration and allows you to enjoy the workout. Now, for intermediate to advanced jumpers, weighted jump ropes provide a fun challenge. They also demand good form and technique because in order to move a weighted rope with any kind of speed, you have to have it. Heavy jump ropes really raise the intensity of your workouts, leading to better results, blasting through endurance plateaus, and building speed with your lighter ropes later. Now, specifically to the Crossrope jump rope system, with the ability to change weights, whether you're going from a heavier to a lighter jump rope or a lighter jump rope to a heavy jump rope, each weight is not going to have the same feel and tempo as the other one. When you are not going to be able to move a 1.5 pound rope as fast as a 3/4 pound rope. So what it does is it forces you to adapt to that new feel and tempo, which is great because no matter what jump rope you're using, as you fatigue, whether you're going for max double unders or just speed, as your rope speed diminishes, you're going to be able to quickly adapt to that, which is going to eliminate a lot of trip-ups. For the next 10 days, I'm going to be using all the ropes from this limited edition set, as well as the 2 ropes from the Get Strong set, which is the 1 and 2 pound ropes, to help develop more power, explosiveness, and just all-around endurance in my jump rope form, so I can perform more double unders. I started out with a test of how many double unders I could do consecutively. I haven't done this in years. What you're seeing right now, I ended up performing 149 double unders, which I was pretty happy with. But I will retest doing the same thing in 10 days from now to see if the heavy ropes have improved my double under performance. I'm going to be showing you clips from each day's workout as well as what each workout entailed, so you can replicate this 10-day challenge if you want and see if you get the same kind of results as I do. Whether you're a beginner or a more advanced jumper, check out these videos I have linked right over here. And if you're looking for some workouts during this downtime, go to jump15.com and sign up for my free 30-day challenge. See ya on the inside.